Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here with a really great grocery haul. I know a lot of you all were so excited that I was bringing these back. They're not going to be like, I don't know how on a routine or anything. I'm just going to kind of post them when they happen. But yeah, so that's what we're going to do. Really big haul today. So this is all from Kroger, of course. It's pretty much the place we do our main grocery shopping. I don't really know why we'd shop anywhere else. Walmart for sure not. I don't know why anyone would buy their groceries there, but Kroger's really good for deals. So we're just gonna dive right in. This was kind of expensive, but we were stocking back up on like lunch stuff, and we saved 35%, $78. We spent like $148. I know it's kind of a lot, but we got a lot of stuff like meat and cheese and all this stuff, a lot of stuff here, and it got a total of 66 items. Don't think that's too horrible. So we're just going to dive right in because we got a lot of good meat and stuff like that. So we'll go from left to right. So the almond milk was $2.50. That was the cheapest I could see this week. And I feel like there's more savings too than just the 35% because some of it was like buying like the clearance. And the clearance prices do not reflect on that receipt. I think we saved more like 40%. So yeah, I do think we saved more than that, but whatever. And then like buying generic on some things is the savings, and the bigger size of something is the savings. So like this is a big savings versus the regular cottage cheese. So kind of that whole thing. All right, I did get 4 of the Zevias. They're on sale for $2.99. The Progresso, I love these. I haven't had them for a while, but they're on a good deal, 99 cents when you buy 8 or more. So I got 10. We got this cream of chicken soup. It was on clearance for 89 cents, which that was a good deal. And that wasn't reflected on the receipt either. So, yeah. Okay, 2 things of Fancy Feast. My mom wanted this pineapple salsa, which was $2 something. And then this salsa was $1.77. Okay, this cheese was awful. It was $3.69, but that's the cheese we wanted this week. And then we had a produce coupon for $2 off of 10. So we got some leaf lettuce, some asparagus, which I know is going to be cheaper later in the week, but we needed it for tomorrow. I think I had lettuce, potatoes, and apples. And so I had a coupon. These were $5.24 after the digital. This was $3.99, $2. I don't know how much the asparagus came to. I don't know how much this came to. That's okay. And then I had that $2 off 10 coupon, so that was good. Then we did get some caramel apples. We're on clearance for $1.99. I love these things. And my mom needed green tea, which again, a savings because the other green tea, the name brand, was so much more expensive. So that was a savings, even if it's not reflected on the receipt. Okay, the Laughing Cow was $1.99 on that buy 4, save 4 thing. And I had $1 off coupons, which is 99 cents. Need some cream cheese for 2 something. This is really good. This is $5.42. Had $1.50 off coupon. So this was a really great price for this chicken. It's regularly $11.59. I got it for like $4. Really awesome. These were mailer coupons they sent me. This was $6.99 with $1 off coupon. This was, I think, $5.49 with $1.50 coupon. And this ham was just full price. Or it wasn't full price. It was on sale. It was $9.70, which this will do this for like 2 meals. So I had a 3 off 15 meat coupons. All this meat was a really great deal. Probably like under 15 bucks. Well, no, maybe under 20. But for all this meat, definitely not a bad price. Got a whole bunch of these tortilla chips for 97 cents. Really good when you buy it on that 4 sale. So we got 9 bags. The Sargento was $2.99 after the digital coupon. This is the cheese my mom wanted to get because it's healthier. So we did that. And then this was $3.49. I had a 75-cent home mailer. And these were $3.99. I had a 75-cent off of 1 coupon. These were $3.24. Not too bad. Okay, these red burritos were $1.67. So that was pretty good. They're regularly like $2.50. These were $2.34 after the digital. So that was a great price. The Simply chips in the bags, these were $6.99. My dad likes these bagels. They were $2. And then the Hunt's ketchup was $2.89. I had a $1.50 digital coupon, so this was $1.39. And then the puppy pads here were $4.99. There was a $3 digital, so these were $1.99. So, like I said, everything was $148. I don't think that's the worst for 66 items, including, you know, meat and all this produce and stuff. And we shouldn't need to do any more grocery shopping for the whole week. My cousin uses HelloFresh and had some thing where we could get a free box for the week. So we got 3 free meals from that. We just had to go on and cancel it. But she had that code to let us get a week for free. So I got 3 meals from that. So that'll be free. And all this stuff, a lot of this is stock ups, like the soup and all these chips will last us way into the month. So, yeah, that's all that I have for now. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.